Good morning, everyone. Finally. Dito po tayo ngayon sa elevator. Good morning po!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, sir! Thank you po!
Labas tayo! Mag-party na tayo! Dali! Mag-party na tayo! Ago, and many were astonished. They said, "Where did this man get all this? What kind of wisdom has been given him?" What
So since we reopened, we've been waiting and hoping for someone to sign up.
Pakanit! Yung tusok-tusok ang gusto ko. Bili na po kayo. Bili na po kayo. Ayan, meron kami dito. Banana Q.
Yung guest. May pasok kayo sa bahay.
Mango, ang yellow.